everybody, Reaction Action Nation here with the Rod of Devin segment. Today we are here to react to Toy Story 3 Incarcerated. I think I'm probably saying it wrong. Anyway, the holding hands going through incinerator. There we go. Scene. Sad movie. Toy Story 4 trailer hopefully coming out on Super Bowl day. Which is, you're probably seeing this after Super Bowl day. I don't know. Depending on when I put this out. Anyway, let's do this. Do me a favor, hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell for more notifications from me, and they will come to you. Let me know what you want me to reaction next, and I got you. Found hashtag RAN. Let's get right into this reaction video, you guys. Let's go.
We're gonna be okay! I don't think that's daylight.
Incinerator. There it is. Pop, 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 pop. Jody Tail was Slinky in this one. I can't tell. I think Slinky was in this one.
Sarah! The button! Help me! Come on! Go!
How was they right there by him?
Hit the button!
Oh god, sorry people. Text message comes and it drops the camera.
Just push it! Push it! Push it! Where's your kid now, Sheriff? Go! Go!
Traitor! Betrayed! Slinky wasn't his. Rex still smiling. Aww. Buddy. Damn, dude. Oh, that's gotta be so much pain, heartache. The claw. I did it right. That's why the aliens will forever have my respect. No doubt about it. The claw. Aw, go ahead. The claw. Lotso, freaking traitor.
You know all that bad stuff I said about Andy's attic? I take it all.
For real.
Darn kid, you said it.
Oh, darling, you were so brave. You saved our lives.
And we are eternally grateful. My boys. Hey, where's that furball Lotso?
For real. Traitor.
Forget it, guys. He's not worth it.
Traitor. All the way. You know, it's a lesson. You know, sometimes we complain about things and we don't know at all that it can be much worse. That's the message right there. You heard what Ham said, right? or not him, but uh, damn, I forgot that quick. Mr. Slinky, one of them. They said that you know, I'd rather be in Andy's basement. You know what I said about Andy's basement? I'm gonna take that back. I'd rather be there. Because remember, it can always be much worse than what you make it out to be. So take that into consideration, you guys. Honestly, very sad scene. Sadly, I didn't get to see Toy Story 3 in theaters, but I will be checking out Toy Story 4. Hopefully, the trailer has come out during the Super Bowl. You're probably seeing this after the Super Bowl, like I said, depending on when I drop this or before. Who knows? But yeah, thank you so much for checking out this reaction from me. If you guys like my reaction, and do me a favor, hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell for more notifications from me, and they will come to you. Also, let me know which one was reaction next, and I got you. Film hashtag R8N. I'll see you guys in the next reaction video. Peace out.